Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. Shell Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Let's start with your reading, okay? This is going to be timeless. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Shells Running. And thanks for everything that you've been doing. Let's reach 1 lakh subscribers. I know it's a journey, but still we are here, so we're going to be going further, okay? And yeah, that's it, okay? There's a calling that is coming for you guys, and I'm hearing the message broken promise, okay? Broken promise, PROMISE. I just did the cut. You have 6 of Cups energy, and there's certain kind of a calling here, okay? So possible it is real-time calling, and there's a 6 of Cups, so maybe resurgence. I don't know why I'm seeing that kind of energy of like a cross, okay? The cross maybe kind of like X, okay? And the X here means that something that was not claimed. I kind of get this vibe of also 2 of Pentacles, because while I was shuffling, there was this energy of like, maybe this is this person's energy. However, this may go for you as well, because these are general readings, but I kind of get this vibe of someone who is yet in the stage or state of lot of juggle in their own life, okay? Which means that they might not be ready then, and they're not ready now even. Or maybe someone you are dealing who is in relationship here, or possible married here, okay? This may go from your side as well. I'm also hearing the word that they can't find root, ROUTE. They can't find the root, okay? So I feel like they don't know the way, they don't know the process, they don't know how to. So ultimately they are where they are, and that's what is possible. Also, this is a possibility here that they might be feeling, look, I'm doing the cuts here, okay? I'm going to read the bottom. Maybe they are thinking like, this root is not for me, okay? Or you are feeling this energy. But if this person is in this state, means they are denying, not claiming, even ignoring that I should not go on this path. Why? Because my route is different. That kind of energy. Let's see. Ace of Wands energy. Yes, karmically people were connected or are connected. Maybe there's going to be some action from this person's side or your side, and then you are going to have the resurging moment with them. This is also, I should say, like DAM and DAM attraction, relationships here. And we are not going to give any gradings here. No, it's just the relationship that you people share or shared. Some of you over here, you are winning over this broken promise, okay? 6 of Wands energy, you are overcoming, you are healing or healed. I'm doing again the cut here, okay? You are healing from whatever was, because it is connected with the past energy. Definitely your energy is surrounding with a broken promise somehow. So Aquarians might be going through this phase. Overcoming, healing, being victorious over certain matter, which is the calling for you, okay? This may be work situation. Knight of Pentacles, maybe Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This is something that was delayed, that was postponed, or something that was meant to but never took that shape or formation that was supposed to be. So what you did, I'm feeling like vibrations here. I don't know why, but maybe there is some reason to that, okay? So there is something which is connected with the stopping of something, or the connection even, because it was not going anywhere. Something that became inactive, that's the word, okay? So what is around this broken promise, or why we have this intuitive message? Look, okay, so I feel like maybe this broken promise is somehow telling you that there's going to be 6 of Cups energy. To some extent there's going to be, look, there's a cut, I'm going to take it. But the bottom energy is Knight of Cups, so there's going to be resurgence. There's going to be, I'm sorry, apologize. There's going to be an apology, resurrection of something, kind of like giving life to something that is over or was over. This may be from Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is someone who is shy. If they are not shy, they are in the hermit zone, kind of like they don't know which route they should take. That's what I'm talking about, the route procedure. And you have this on the cut, the moon may be Piscean. Yet you don't know the reality. You don't know, you might be in illusion, or you might be feeling that way, or possible this person is really, it is hard for them to camouflage or pretend something that is not true, which is about they really want to talk. And then when I see the moon, I always have this energy of like a lot of bark is left, which means talk is left, loyalty is left, faithfulness is left. It's yet not done, something yet not done properly. Let's see. Okay, there's a flip. That's the calling. Yet not done. I feel like this is what the destiny, what the fate, whatever you want to put those words in, but this is connected with the broken promise. I feel like you emptied someone's emotions from your pond recently, or in that time frame, whatever your time frame is. With the star, you are here, and Aquarius, yes, this is what the broken promise is connected with your wife, and they might be thinking about. With the star, this is a major reconciliation card as well. Now, for some of you, yes, this is going to happen, okay? To be honest, you have guards up, of course, you have guards up. Look at this 9 of Wands energy. You were in the battlefield, like kind of energy that you were wounded, yet you fought, and you are alert, and you're taking care of something that is yours. With the star card, I'm hearing the word approximate, okay? APPROXIMATE, approximate something which is going to revolve around here. And also this is about route, okay? I feel like looking at this card, someone may be trying to figure out route to reach to you. A lot of emotions, yes, but this is again something connected with number 7 here. So maybe it is connected with the energy of like 7 months, 7 years kind of energy. You might be overcoming some connection here. This is also connected with your own flexibility, your own fame, your own scenario, what you are doing, okay? I hear with that broken promise, I feel like this is going to be high reconciliation possible, okay, in the coming time, because this is star. Maybe this is connected when the stars will get aligned, and when the time is going to be right for you guys, this is going to happen. Okay. I'm hearing that you're preparing for something here, because your overall energy is like you're preparing, okay? I just need one card for that. This broken promise is that something was difficult and was hard to overcome. This was your struggle, okay? And 5 of Wands, something that was not in the position or situation so you people could resolve it. And I also kind of get this energy of 2 of Pentacles whenever I talk about it. This is about the person, and that person might be in this situation of like, what should I do now? Because it's too late. Okay, it's too late. But with the 5 of Wands energy, it's like you don't want to entertain something here, or this is what was between you and is connected with the broken promise. Someone who might never claimed something here, okay? Or it was so challenging for that person to fit in, or for you to fit in, or for both of you this was difficult because you had your own issues and arguments, or something that was not coming on common ground. I feel that kind of energy, okay? And with the broken promise, I feel that this person wanted to offer you this. They might have done it. I mean, something, okay. Maybe something was worth fighting and someone never did it, or something was not worth fighting and then again someone never did it, kind of energy. But something was, then this is not for everyone, okay? I feel like the promise was broken because someone broke that promise, because I feel that they never fought enough, like to this is about trial. Okay, so maybe they never tried that much. And I'm also hearing the word casual. I'm seeing here like the flame, whatever was on the candle, went off. Like the supply of air was done like cut off. Makes sense. And it took time for you, of course, to remove all those emotions from your pond as an Aquarius, to empty that so that you do not get involved in something here. This is broken promise. This is what they did. This is what is possible. You had issues with, you quarreled with someone. There were loud speech or something was there. And this may be definitely connected with someone, Page of Cups. Something is also coming as a casual, you know. They just said. I'm also hearing as if someone said this or they're going to say this. I will handle. Okay? And maybe this happened when you people were going through that broken promise phase, and then you might have told this person, or you had the conversation on and off, and you said that I will handle. I will handle myself, I will handle my issues, I will handle everything. Kind of energy. I'm also hearing, no, how is this possible? Okay, fine. So I feel like there's going to be destiny turn in the future. I'm predicting way ahead future, okay? So I feel like this is what is coming. Someone got married here recently. You connected way back or in this time frame. Maybe with the Taurus, with the Hierophant, they got married here. I feel like someone got married recently. This card is coming out, okay? And with the Five of Wands, it's like it's of no use kind of. Or maybe you are thinking about, oh my God, they never told me this, or possible this is something that you are having inner struggle of, like something happened. Now way ahead future kind of energy with the star, there's going to be destined meeting in the coming time. It's like now you stop, further we are going to meet. And this is what, no, the person is not telling you this. It's like, let's say route, R-O-U-T-E. This is the route that you're supposed to take right now. People do ask, like, you know, this is about something, we should talk about what is our next plan, next path, or spiritual path, or what is basically route. What are you going to do in future? Okay? The fixed answers, these are none, okay? Because you need to put things together, and according to whatever the karma, I say always, you be responsible for your karma. You have Two of Cups energy. Either someone is going to research and reunite here with you, or they'll at least express this of reunion energy in the future, okay? And you people may have arguments, which is coming again, Five of Wands energy, something that was left unsaid, unheard, but again root, finding way, and I can handle kind of energy possible. Or maybe someone is coming to say that I can handle now this whatever is, so let's reunite, let's date kind of energy. Maybe some of you are doing this. If you people are dating someone here in this season, okay, and everything is good, don't take things, those are tiny, to create issue in your current life, okay, or current dating season. Because it's all about, of course, a little bit of adjustments and a little bit of understanding, more of understanding, like, you know, and then you understand each other's side, and then you go ahead with the relationship, and which makes sense, yes, but then things when flow and we end up having something or argument, then it is like, oh my God, this happened. And then to get back again and do the stuff, it's difficult. But I feel like it's also your future calling. Some kind of reunion is around the corner, like it's like you're just driving and you meet someone on the next turn kind of energy. So in your future, there's going to be some kind of date. Someone will ask you, Again, this is surrounding again broken promise, okay? Old pal, old deep friendship here, or love situation. Two of Cups is the calling off whatever was never claimed, ignored, or broken. This is where we are heading, okay? In the season of Two of Cups. And maybe they are going to say, I can handle. Now, if this makes sense yet in this situation. You should stay away. They are also saying for some cases, you should stay away from something or someone in specific, and do not push yourself or force this reunion. If it is supposed to, it's going to happen, of course. Again, you are going to have the same moment with someone. Same moment with someone, and possible if this is this High Priestess energy, like kind of you, then you always knew that's gonna come, like kind of energy, like something is coming ahead, the talk or some session. Apart from this, there is, if this is this person, then maybe they don't know what to do, because this is like their intuition is trying to talk, but unknown territory kind of energy. Okay, I'm not taking these cards though. High time manifestation is here. The Magician. I'm hearing who will conquer in a better way, of course. Okay, not hurting any energy or something like that, but conquer is coming. So with the Magician, I feel like the situation will turn in your life where everything will go in your favor. That's what I see. Now, I'm not seeing here manipulation, so I can't say that, but somehow someone will try to convince you for this meeting possible, or they just want to talk to you. Some of you will start with the basics, like kind of like, hello, how have you been, like long time no see kind of, okay, that kind of energy. But with the Magician, definitely you were aware about this, or I'm hearing something will turn in your favor. Talked in the startup about Two of Pentacles, right? So something will turn in your favor, because this person gonna realize many things, that this is going from this person's side. And I said that Two of Pentacles vibe might be this person's energy of finding the root, and this is also about decision, of course. Two of Pentacles is about something in the middle, yes, to reconcile or not, to reunite or not. The sources are good. Every situation is it's like situation is opening in front of you, fine, okay? There may be Capricorn Devil energy possible, but Page of Cups, someone is approaching you, something that was closed with them, or something that took different turns here. Emotional opportunity, but a little bit of clogging here, which you're going to open up, okay? Okay, baby, I'm going to tell you. Someone over here is missing you bad, and I feel like this is this person, because I feel like, okay, that's not the flip though. Someone is missing you. Do whatever you are doing, live your life, do the work. If things turn up in this, it's time to settle things, okay? Sweetheart, someone will end up sending you something, because they do see you as this. You may end up reading some message here, not necessarily in the real, possible postcard is coming or letter is coming, maybe email or message or something. Someone won't deny it anymore kind of energy, sweetheart. Maybe that's what they're trying to say, I can handle kind of, and you have the beneath energy, something will bring you joy, okay? Reading this, receiving this, meeting this, or reunion, this will give you peace and happiness and joy. Take care, I love you, see you soon.